make the final copy do not.
This is the third part of the Lego assignment. So we're going to call this our final copy. And this part includes where you're going to write your extended constructed response. So this is after you read the toy for all ages, and then you filled out your graphic organizer and you looked at the prompt. Then you're going to write your extended constructed response on the Google Doc, which is a final copy. And this is, you're going to write your graphic organizer you're going to write your final copy following what you filled in your paper copy of your graphic organizer. And you'll use the attached slides and rubric for references as you write. So here again is our passage, our prompt that we've already broken down, a reminder of races, the parts of an essay, so that as you're writing your essay, you can refer back to what each paragraph does, and it includes a topic sentence, transitions, supporting sentences. You need to make sure you have your details, your evidence, your examples, and then make sure that you have your concluding sentence, and that's for each body paragraph, and then a closing paragraph. And we will work on this somewhat together, but you're going to follow the structure of the parts of an essay map. Here are some ideas. These are just ideas for opening sentences. So when you're writing your first opening paragraph, you want to have some sort of opening sentence, and then you want to have details about your essay or your topic, and then you want to write your thesis statement. So starting with an opening sentence, here are some ideas. Things like, Lego is the toy that has stood the test of time for many generations. Legos are the building blocks to our imagination. And then we have, hang on, I'm fixing a typo here. But blocks to our imagination. Life is like Legos. You can always rebuild or create something new. You can read the rest of these on your own, but use a opening sentence. You can make up your own or model yours after these ideas. We also have some ideas for your closing sentences that would go in your final closing paragraph, and it's the same concept. Your closing paragraph, you'll refer back to your thesis statement, and then you want to give us some sort of summarizing of your key points, and then give us your final thoughts and your reflection or your call to action. Now, the max character on your STAR extended constructed response, and for this assignment, would be 2,300 words. And we will go over this together in class, but the way that you figure out your word count is if you're in a Google Doc, not a Google Slides, that's what this is, but when you're in your final Google Doc for typing your final copy, you can open your tools at the top of the page, choose word count, and then a window will pop up and it will show you your current count of pages, words, characters, and the one you want to look at is characters excluding spaces, and that will tell you your word count. Now, and then we have a grading rubric. I'll talk to you about this in class, but look over this final grading rubric before you are finished, as you are revising and editing your final copy, and you have referred to the grading rubric, and then of course you'll submit your final copy. The final copy I'm talking about looks like this, and it is attached to this assignment, and you will be able to type your final copy. So here's your final copy, and it says begin typing here. You're limited to 2,300 characters, and you'll just open this document, delete these words, and start writing your final copy. All right, good luck.